Hey guys, so I have the Allure beauty box for the month of April, and this one is inspired by Carly Bybel. She actually picked out the products for this month. So when I saw her on her Instagram that she had actually picked the products for this month, I was like, yay, I'm so excited. I absolutely adore her. I've been watching her like forever. So they always have this little booklet inside of each one of these boxes, and it goes ahead and describes the product and tells you how much each of the products are and how to use it. So this is always really nice. Also in here it has a kind of like scratch off, which I love playing scratch offs, like the lottery scratch offs. And this one is going to show you what's going to be in May's box. So I'm going to go ahead and scratch this off. Okay, so this scratch off is a total disappointment. It doesn't scratch off as easy as regular scratch offs, and so I can kind of peek and see what's in there, but it's a hot mess. So I'm not even gonna bother. When May's box comes, then I'll just see what's in there. So let's go ahead and get into this one. So here is the bag. It's just clear and it has a little clasp on it. I'm sorry, but I hate these bags now. I just feel like it's excessive to get these, especially if you get different subscriptions and they each have a bag. It's just overwhelming. So first thing in here that I see is the Luxie brush, and this is the small tapered blending. I am all about Luxie brushes. I absolutely love them. I have actually bought their sets myself, so this is super exciting to have another one. And this is worth, what is this? This is worth $12. So this itself kind of pays for the box. The box is $15 a month, and I do pay for it myself. So this is the first thing in here. Next thing in here is the Vita Liberata. This is a organic tan infused cloth for your face and body, and there's two of them in here. I don't know if I will use this because I am not someone who tans. This is worth I don't know how much it's going to be worth, because it says $25 for a pack of 8, so you just have to kind of divide in there. But this is supposed to be like a self-tanning one that you use. I don't know, I think I might use this for my legs and see how it works, but it says up to 10 days from just one application of these, so maybe I'll just use it on my legs or something like that, something, you know, that it won't be too hard to cover if something goes wrong. Next thing in here is the Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil, and this is in the shade Green River. So this is a beautiful kind of forest green liner. I have never tried any of the Laura Geller liners, so that is fun to try, and this is worth $22, so that is really nice. It says that you can actually smudge it out as well, so yeah, definitely it smudges as well. Next thing in here is the Anastasia Beverly Hill Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Pure Hollywood. I think I actually own this shade. This is worth $20, and let's see, but I think mine's probably gone bad by now. So this is a very light kind of beige shade. It's like a pinky beige. If I'm not mistaken, the times that I've worn this, I have to wear like a lip liner underneath to kind of make it a little bit darker. So I think I might just give this away to a family member because I do already own one of these. And like I said, that's worth $20. Next thing in here is a little trial size of the Briogeo Farewell Frizz. This is the blow dry protection and heat protecting cream. I absolutely love their products. I have yet to actually buy one because I've gotten so many in subscription boxes that I've yet to buy one, or I've had like these little trial sizes, but I love the way they smells. I love I love the way they smell and the way they perform. I really enjoy this, and that's a trial size. The full size is worth $24. And the last thing in here is a Natasha Denona eyeshadow, which I'm so excited for. This is 124 karat bronzage. And let's see what this baby looks like. I absolutely love Natasha Denona's formula, so I'm actually excited to actually put this into my collection. It's a beautiful bronze color. Oh, that's pretty. It's like, I would say it looks more bronzy in here, but it looks more copper when swatched. So that is what it looks like right there. Absolutely beautiful shade that will look beautiful all over the eyelid, which I'm pretty sure that that's what she has on here. And this is worth $27. So definitely worth the money for this month's box. I don't think it says anywhere on here how much the real total is, just because some of the samples, you know, some of the things are sample size, but definitely worth the $15 a month for the Allure beauty box. So far I can't complain. I really like each box that I've gotten. Let me know what you guys are looking forward to this month's box as far as the things that are coming in the Allure. I have to say, I'm excited about everything that's in here. There's not like a dud in here, so I'm really happy with this month's box. Let me know if you guys are subscribed to Allure, if you're looking forward to this month's box. I'd love to hear back from you guys. Thank you guys as always for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.